We know why we're here. To stand behind all who serve.
To deliver the technologies vital to freedom.
To help carry hope to those in need.
Around the globe, the people of Boeing are working together for what matters most.
That's why we're here.